Hello, my name is Melissa Grantham, and this is an annotated bibliography created for Dr. Shahan's Education 2033 Section 92 class for the MAT program at UAM. This is project number 3 from chapter 4, Gender as Nature versus Nurture. 2 opposing theories, and a third has been added, which is where I fall under my beliefs of nature and nurture. Enjoy! The nature versus nurture debate within psychology is concerned with the extent to which particular aspects of behavior are a product of either genetic or inherited, which is what we call nature, factors, or if they're acquired or learned or environmental characteristics created by society. So in the nature I have Lee Bader, it's my first, Simon Baron-Cohen. My bibliography on concerning the nature debate also includes Luann Brizendine and Elizabeth Glazier. Next, there's a book review by Terry Apner. And another source leaning towards the nurture portion is Terry Apner and Kay Bussey and Albert Bandura, of course. Next, under the nurture debate, I have cited Crash Course Sociology number 3, Theories of Gender, and also a book by Lise Elliott, Pink Brain, Blue Brain. She also gave a conference, or spoke at a conference, which is where this citation will lead to. The next 3 citations include Cordelia Fine. She wrote a book, Delusions of Gender, The Real Science Behind Sex Differences. A report from PBS NewsHour, and a special article in Slate magazine entitled The Gendered Brain. The next citations for nurture come from ThoughtMonkey.com, which is a YouTube video that was very informative, and then a book review by Gemma Tosh. And the last sort, excuse me, let's do that again. The last citation under the nurture section of this bibliography is from Daniel Lind, and it was an interview with Cordelia Fine, the author of Delusions of Gender. As far as the concept of nature and nurture combined, which is the one I believe to be true, our first was Michelle Bakash and Dr. Milton Diamond. I, of course, also cited our textbook by Donna Golnick and Philip Chin, and an article or journal entry from Saul McLeod in Simply Psychology. The last citation in my bibliography was by David Ritu, Nature versus Nurture, Where Are We in 2017? Thank you.